Children, in the last class, we have seen that how Portia accepted Bassanio as her lord by giving the ring. And today, let's see what Bassanio says Portia when she gives the ring and give a beautiful speech. It's in Act 3, Scene 2. Let's continue. Bassanio, Madam, you have bereft me of all words. Bassanio says that, Madam, you have made me speechless of all words. I am speechless. I don't have any words to say. Only my blood speaks to you in my veins. I can only express my feelings. My blood speaks to you in my veins. And there is such confusion in my past, and I am so confused, and there is such a confusion in my power of speech. I am not able to say. I don't have any words to say. I am speechless, and my thought got confused, and I am not able to speak anything before you, my dear madam. He is telling to Portia. As after some oration fairly spoke. So the beautiful speech which is given by Portia made Bassanio speechless. By a beloved prince, there doth appear among the buzzing pleased multitude. When a prince gave such a beautiful speech, powerful speech, which are accepted by the multitude, the crowd, where something being blend together, everything is covered and everyone is accepted and everyone is applauded and turns to a void of nothing. So mine is nothing. I don't have anything. Everyone contributed their general expression, appreciation of your speech. I'm standing here speechless. I don't have any words to say to you. Save of joy expressed and not expressed. So he says that every happiness is conveyed by the public, the crowd, the multitude, nothing is left. But when this ring, now he says that I don't have any other words to say, but I'll give you confirmation of your order. What did he say? You should not part from or lose or give away this ring. That was the condition when she was giving the ring to Portia. So here Bassanio accepts what all she says and what he says here. But when this ring parts from this finger, madam, if you find this ring is not on my finger, that means part from this finger, then after that you can confirm that parts lie from hence. You can think and you can say, confirm that Bassanio is part lie from hence means when I lose my life, then I lose. If I lose my life, then only I lose the ring. Oh, then be bold to say Bassanio is dead. He is confirming Bassanio that, madam, I will not part this ring or give away this ring or lose this ring. In any case, if you find any such thing happened, then you can confirm that you can have the courage to announce that Bassanio is dead. So till I die, I will not lose this ring in any way. That was the, what you can say, confirm, and he wanted to make Portia to believe, trust Bassanio by his words. Nothing else I have to say, he says. So here we stop. Other up on the next part, Nerisha and Graciano express their feelings. So go through the text and understand the text better and try to learn some of the text words. There you have to use it in your answer.